Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. I hope you're all safe and staying inside and looking after yourself and your family. Today I'm going to be doing a room tour. This room got done about 6 years ago when I was in year 7, but I'm still obsessed with it. So let's get along with the video. So as we walk over here, we've got my chest of drawers, and these, I'm sure they're from IKEA, I'll put on the screen anyway. So I have in this top drawer, I have obviously my pants, my bras, socks, some hair bubbles and hair stuff, and then belts at the back, and then dry shampoos and brushes down here. In the second one I have like my other dressing gown and these are all my chill clothes. And then in the bottom I have my towels that I use, and then my bag collection because I love bags. And then we've got just my perfume little box here, just a few perfumes and my deodorant. We've got 2 little candles. This is, I think this is from the range, so you can see it just lights up. I think it's just got some LED lights in there. And then we've got my TV. Oh, you can see my Mickey Mouse pyjamas. Yeah, my TV, and then my laptop. And then I've just got these all dangling down to here. And I love these. These are from Amazon and they're such a good price. I think they're £18. But everyone, I've got so many compliments on them and I just love them so much. So just down here, we've got this is my DEPOP box. So, we'll just start with these. So this is like my little pink backpack. This is from Primark. And then we've got this, it's like I don't know what you call this, but I'll obviously put it on the screen. This is from ASOS, I got it for Christmas, pink box. And this has just got all my DEPOP clothes in. So I'll be putting my DEPOP on the screen, so if you give that a follow. To your left, this is just my mirror, and this is from the range. I love this, and I get compliments on this as well. And then just to dress it up a little bit, I've put my hat on there. Love this hat. And then I've just got a Pandora bag as well because I just love the way it looks. So yeah, this is just the mirror. Wardrobe. I got this ages ago when I was really young, and I still love it because of the hearts, but it is getting a bit dirty now. So on top of my wardrobe, we've just got the Cloud9 box, which obviously goes in my room, and I love it. And then we've got the L, which matches the Cloud9 box, obviously for Libby. And then here we've just got a jewellery box, and I got that about 10 years ago now. So that's on top of my wardrobe. This little love heart with a little pink bow that matches my room to just hang off my wardrobe, just to dress up the room a little bit. And then down here we've got 2 drawers. So in this one we've just got like personal stuff, and then in this one we have got it's like crafts drawer. So I've just opened the blinds because I need more lighting. But I've got my makeup desk here, and this is from IKEA, and I've got quite a lot of things on it, so I'll just go through them individually. Over here obviously we've got the typical pots that everyone has. So these are the big brushes and these are the small brushes over here. We've got my mirror, which is from the range. Down here we've just got some I think these are pink face wipes, MAC Prep and Prime, Mario Pedescio drying lotion, my cellar water, and then that's my skincare there, just the toners and my creams. And I love this desk. So I've just got my makeup light, which is also from IKEA. And this used to be a candle, but I normally put my what they're called, cotton pads in, just my makeup. And then we just got a charger here as well. Going into my drawer, this is just all my makeup here. I've not got much makeup. I have my STOOL from IKEA, and then just some plastic drawers. The first drawer has some wipes in it, like face wipes. The second drawer has all my makeup bags in it, and the third drawer has all my eyelash stuff in it. And then on top we just have my palettes and my Victoria's Secret bag. I've got like a little chandelier, which I love. The room, we've got my white curtains from IKEA, and then the same things that were on my wardrobe. And then we've got a bedside table, and a little plaque that says "Life is Beautiful," which I got in year 7 on a school trip. We've got my polka dot lampshades, and then this is my bed, which is from IKEA, and the bed sheets are from Wilko. We've got some lights on the top, which just dress up the bed a bit. Then we've got my hot water bottle, which I think is so cute. Bedside table, which is also from IKEA, matching the chest of drawers. And then on my bedside table, we have an L, which is from Dunelm. Ariana Grande spray, because that's my favourite. And then we've got my Pandora ring, my glasses, and my watch. So on my bedside table, we've just got inhalers, sweets, glass case, purse, medicines, earphones, just random bits. And then in the second one, we've got just electrical stuff, so my curlers, straighteners, phone cases, new, just, you know what I mean, just electrical stuff. My dressing gown, and that's the door. And where my wallpaper is from, it's from Laura Ashley. So that was my room tour. I hope you liked it. I tried to name all the things I could, but sorry if I haven't. Me and Gabrielle have got loads and loads of videos coming up, so stay tuned. Please comment what you'd like us to do, and please, please, please subscribe and like this video. That's all you have to do, and it helps us out so much. Next video, stay safe, and also go and follow mine and Gabrielle's TikToks, because we're very, very, very active on there, so it'll be here. See ya!